Searching for a 2008 Holden Commodore. You could be in the driver's seat of this impressive vehicle with a reliable 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 5-speed automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, side airbag, stability control, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, power windows, ventilated disc brakes. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Keep your family safe on the road with the added security of anti-lock braking. If safety is a concern, know you are covered with this vehicle's features. Call today to schedule a test drive.